Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about top 10 Linux commands. And I asked to help me someone, and it's gonna be ChatGPT. So I'm so excited. Are you? So let's start. Okay, I opened a ChatGPT on my internet browser, and I already have an account. So if you have no account, I recommend you to do a registration and then sign in. First of all, let's follow this link, chat.openie.com. By this link, you can do a registration and then sign in. And here we go, you can use ChatGPT. So on this chat, I'm gonna type top 10 Linux commands. Okay, press enter and wait when bot reply to us. So here we go, there is a reply, and there are 10 commands, 10 Linux commands, and each command includes a command and then a short description about this command. So it's really useful. So let's check out each command step by step using a chatbot. So let's ask the chatbot to provide the detailed information about first command. Provide detailed info about first command. Okay. So there is a reply and there is a detailed information about the first command ls. There is ls stands for list, and this command is used to list the content of a directory. Okay, when you enter the ls command, it will display a list of files and directories in the current working directory. There is information about options as well here. And there is some examples how you can use ls command. Let's check out how you can use this command in practical way. Okay, on terminal, let's type ls and press enter. You see there is information about files and directories in my current working directory. Also, you can use -l option. That means you can print detailed information about content inside current working directory. In our case, press enter. So this command works like that. So clear the terminal. Let's move ahead and ask the chatbot about second command. Okay. Okay, there is a reply about detailed information of cd command. So cd stands for change directory, and it is used to change the current working directory. The current working directory is the directory in which you are currently located in the terminal. So there is information how you can use this command. So here we go. Let's check out how you can use this command cd in practical way. Let's move to a terminal. Let's run ls-l command. You see there is a folder named folder in my current working directory. Let's move inside this folder. You have to type cd, then the folder, the path you want to move. Okay. And if you check pwd, there is a current working directory where we are currently located. So it's inside the folder. Okay. Let's check what is inside this folder. There is a directory new dir and another file, f2. So here we go. If you want to move back, you have to type cd, then double dots. Okay. Let's clear the terminal. So I'm going to ask to provide information about third command from chatbot. Provide detailed info of third command. Here we go. Okay, here we go. There is a reply. So there is a description, mkdir. This command stands for make directory, and this command is used to create a new directory within the current working directory or in a specific directory. So there is an example how you can use mkdir. Okay. So there is a common ways to use the mkdir command, and also some examples how you can use mkdir command as well. So let's check it out on the terminal how you can use this command in practical way. Okay, on my current working directory, there is only one directory, name folder. If you want to create a directory, you have to type mkdir and then the name of directory. New folder. I'm gonna call this directory new folder and press enter. So using ls-l command, you can see detailed info about current working directory, about content inside, and there is a new folder, the directory we created here. So here we are. It's how mkdir command works. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, move ahead. Let's ask a chatbot to provide detailed info about next command. Provide detailed info about for command. Okay. Okay, here we go. There is a reply. There is information about cp command. So cp stands for copy, and this command is used to copy files and directories from one location to another. There is information of some common ways how to use cp command and some examples how you can use cp command as well. Here we go. Let's check it out how you can use cp command in practical way. Let's move to terminal. Okay, my current working directory, there are several files. Let's check it out the content inside the file f4. Okay, there is expression hello geeks. So if I want to copy this file, I can type cp, then the name of file I want to copy, and then the new copy of this file. I'm gonna call it copy f4. Okay. Okay, there is a copy f4, and if I check the content inside this file, there is a hello geek, so we copied f4 file successfully. That is the way how cp command works. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, let's ask the chatbot about next command. Provide detailed info about. Okay. Okay, here we go. There is a reply about my request. So rm stands for remove, and it is used to delete files and directories. So it's easy, yeah. So short description, and here are some common ways to use rm command. So you can check here, and here are some examples of how to use the rm command. You can see it here. Let's check out how you can use rm command in practical way. Let's move to terminal. So let's delete a copy f4. To delete a copy f4 file, you have to type rm and then the name of file you want to delete. Okay, here we go. We successfully deleted this file, and if you want to delete a directory, you have to use an option -d and then specify the name of directory you want to delete. Okay. You see, we deleted this directory, name new folder successfully. Let's clear the terminal. So let's come back to ChatGPT. Let's ask about next command. Okay, here we go. So, and there is a mkdir command. Something goes wrong, probably because 6 command is a mv command. So in this way, let's just ask a chatbot to provide info directly from mv command. Provide detailed. Okay, there is a reply. So mv stands for move, and it's used to move or rename files and directories. So you can see it here, and here are some examples how to use mv command. Okay, let's check out how you can use mv command and move to terminal. Okay, let's check what is the content inside file f4, hello geeks. Let's move this file f4 into directory folder. I have to type mv, then specify the name of file I want to move, and then the location where I want to move this file. Okay, just, okay, there is a mistake, and here we go. There is no file in my current working directory, and if you check the folder, there is file, and if you type cat to check what is the content inside this file, you see hello geeks. It's the same file, f4, but now it is in directory folder. So by this command, remove file f4 from current working directory to another directory named folder. Let's clear the terminal. So let's ask the chatbot about next command. Info about 7 command. Let's check it out. So I'm a little bit disappointed because chatbot, just show me the wrong command again, because 7's command is a cat. Okay, I'm gonna ask directly about this command. Okay, here we go. So there is a reply about cat command. You can see a description of cat command, and here are some common ways to use the cat command. We already used this command on this video to display the content of specific file. So also you can see here some examples how you can use cat command. Okay, let's move to terminal. Let's run this command and specify f5 file. You see the content inside this file, Geeking to everyone. So there is a one way how this command can be used. Okay, let's clear the terminal. So next command I'm gonna check. There is a grep command. Provide detailed info. Okay, there is reply, and you see there is description. The grep stands for global regular expression print, and it's used to search for patterns in text files. There is some common ways how you can use grep, and here some examples how you can use it. For example, you can use grep command with the cat command. Okay, let's move to the terminal and let's check the content inside file name file 54. There is several lines. On each line I write a day of the week. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you want to find a specific pattern in text and return the line which contains this pattern can be a part of word, a regular expression, a word, etc. Using grep command, you can return the line if line contain this pattern. Let's type cat F6 grep, and I type the part of word Wednesday. Okay, here we go. On the output, you see the line which contains, this pattern, and on this line there is a word Wednesday. So it works like that. So what is the next command? I'm gonna check. There is a chmod command. This command changes the permission of a file or directory. Okay, I'm gonna ask to provide detailed information. Okay, okay, here we go. There is a reply. Chmod command stands for change mode, and this command is used to change the permission of files and directories in Linux. There is a syntax of this command. There are two ways how you can change permissions. You can change permissions using a combination of three letters, RWX, or you can change permissions using numeric values here. So let's check it out how it works. So on the first column, there is the permissions of file and directories. If you want to change a permission, you can type chmod, then, for example, numerically 777, and then specify the file you want to change permission. Okay, we change permission for first file. If you want to know more information about permissions, you can watch a video on my YouTube channel about permissions. Don't hesitate to check this out. So let's check. Last command is sudo. Let's ask a chatbot to provide info about this command. Detailed info about sudo command. Okay, there is a reply. So sudo stands for super user doom, and this command is used in Linux to run commands with the administrative privilege. So you can see some more information in these replies and examples how you can use this command. Okay, let's move to terminal. So for example, if you want to run a cat command to F5, there is a content inside Geeking to everyone, this expression. If you want to run this command with the root privilege, you have to type sudo cat F5. There is password required. So here we go, Geeking to everyone. if you need to run something with the root privilege, you can use sudo command. So it works like that. So thanks guys for watching this video. This video we used the ChatGPT to get information about top 10 Linux commands. So it was interesting experience. I recommend to try it by your own. So thank you. Ciao, ciao.